Hi guys, good morning. Today Maria and I are off with three of our very close friends. Jaya, of course, you all know, and Sophie and Geeta, you all might remember from our visit to Tukaram restaurant in Mapsa last year. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So we are heading towards Nagua Verna. There is this restaurant there called Malibu, I believe. It has a nice location by the field, so I'm looking forward to an appetizing sight and not just an appetizing meal. So see you guys over there. Oh yeah, say hi to Maria.
Hi friends, good afternoon. Welcome back after a short break. See you all in Verna.
From Margao, we followed the Panjim highway towards Verna, Kansauli. Keep an eye out for the left turn going to Verna railway station and Kansauli, which comes after the fruit and vegetable sellers. There is a sign for Malibu at this turn. As soon as you turn left onto this road, you can see Malibu restaurant. It's the tall building on the right. There was some parking available inside, but not too many cars can fit. You can park on the main road.
Nice green place, no? My yoga come. After you. We'll take the view and come.
We chose a table downstairs as not all of us could climb up the steps. Even from here, the view outside was lovely, soothing.
Wow, See Three Kings Chapel there.
Where?
Up there, Kansauli.
We come for dancing.
Yeah, Valadares. Correct. Nice, happy?
Then Jaya, Maria and I climbed up to see the rest of Malibu. This is the outdoor seating on the first floor.
Wow, so nice, huh? Hey, Maria, you can get a photo taken on that.
Quite a few tables with a nice view up here.
मैम एक गोवा के लिए मैंने शायरी बनाया है.
While we were looking around, a waiter wanted to share his poetry with us.
मडगांव की शॉपिंग हो, बागा की भीड़ हो, चाहे मालीबू की गली हो, यहाँ तो हर चीज़ से दिल हारा है. इसीलिए गोवा मैम मुझे बहुत प्यारा है.
He is Dilip Kumar from Sitapur in Uttar Pradesh and was sharing Lucknow style poems.
मैम आपकी लोगों की खुशी के लिए आपकी हंसी मेरी खुशी बन गई. आप लोगों की हंसी मेरी खुशी बन गई. आप लोगों के टैलेंट को कॉपी करना चाहा तो खामोशी छा गई. आप लोग हमेशा इसी तरीके से मुस्कुराते रहना. ये बात मेरे दिल की कुछ धड़कने कह गई. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Now one more level. Okay. Should have party here sometime, no?
The top floor is an event space.
not a crow, it's a darter.
We came to Malibu because we were told that there are very nice views from this restaurant. The view is really excellent. Will be even better in the monsoon.
Hey! Maria, important things. Come, let's have.
You missed the top view.
Menu has come.
A few Goan style starters also. There are quite a few Goan dishes: Vindaloo, Amuti, Shakuti, Rollard.
Beef Hyderabadi. Try something different or what? Beef Hyderabadi. I never heard of beef Hyderabadi. Chalo, chicken kafrial is there, beef chili fry. Thalis are also there. Chonak thali, kingfish, veg, chicken.
Quite a few desserts here.
They have rum infused Serradura. Yeah. I've only ordered. But this is awesome, no? Rum infused Serradura. Wow.
Geeta is mostly veg like Jaya, and they have decided to have North Indian food. It would prove to be a very wise choice.
So I am the Goan food. This between the chicken chili fry
Goan chili chicken, very tasty.
tasty, na? I think I'll try that.
Yeah. Maria and I are going to have something different and something same. I'm going to have a fish thali and we are very intrigued. We saw on the menu this dish called beef Hyderabadi. We never heard of it. So we're going to have beef Hyderabadi with naan and we're going to share Goan chili chicken with Sophia.
Apart from that, Jaya and Geeta ordered dal makhani and aloo jeera with chili garlic naan and some other snacks.
Maria is already ready with her drink. Cheers, Maria.
Cheers. Matching cheers. It's matching the flight and time. Cheers. Happy birthday to Jaya.
Happy birthday to Jaya.
Happy birthday to me. Cheers. Cheers, Leslie. Cheers, Maria.
There is a really nice ambience at Malibu with the field view. We had no idea what to expect in terms of food here. Besides us, there were regulars from Verna Industrial Estate eating here, and we saw them order both fish curry rice plates and North Indian tandoori. So we felt we may have ordered well. First came the garlic naan. These guys also decided to have masala papad.
You have to do your thumbs up if this is nice.
They all enjoyed the masala papad, but the naan was not too crisp.
Thank you.
In mains, my mozzo fish thali was first to arrive. like kishmoor, no? Here we have fried mozzo, salad, pickle, fish curry, mixed bhaji, kishmoor, salkadi and rice. I was a bit shocked because the curry and fish fry were both cold.
This is not chili, this is coriander on top. She thinks this is chili.
Why a little bit chili is it? Try for me.
Just take one bite.
So you don't have chili?
Then I tried the kishmoor.
But you doing chili and whatever.
Come small.
You want to try again?
Kishmoor was not bad. Then the bhaji.
Not good.
Anybody wants a
Fish curry is okay, but the kishmoor is nice.
Okay.
I'm trying bhaji.
Very bad bhaji.
Can't make it's a it's a North Indian restaurant mainly, and they're trying the local.
Can you try some pickle?
Meanwhile, these guys' food had arrived.
It is
Mediterranean salad, beef Hyderabadi and Goan chili chicken, which looked very iffy. And this is the chili garlic naan and dal makhani. Jaya said the salad is so-so.
That chili is actually looking much better than that.
The chili garlic naan seems nicer than the garlic naan. It gets a thumbs up from Jaya. Now Geeta is sampling the dal makhani. She's very happy with it. Now Sophie is tasting Goan chili chicken. It looks unappetizing and tastes worse.
chicken. Not even on that.
For Jaya, it's perfect.
Now let's see if the beef Hyderabadi is any good. Great, it gets a thumbs up. So far, it is only the North Indian food which we have enjoyed. Any Goan dish on the table has failed to impress. Maria also thumbs up for chili garlic naan. Just then the aloo jeera arrived. Looked good. Another thumbs up for beef Hyderabadi. Let's see what Maria thinks of the Goan chili chicken.
Very nice.
Boiled and
Yeah.
So it's pretty clear at Malibu it's best to opt for North Indian dishes.
Aloo is the best. This is very Maharashtrian style, the aloo bhaji. And the aloo bhaji is very Maharashtrian
Very
style.
simple
Very
and
simple,
very
very
nice.
nice.
Maria's trying aloo.
Very good. Me and my
Yeah.
banana. Very tasty.
so there is
Now I'm trying the beef dish.
Hyderabadi is so tasty.
Yeah. And this is just boiled meat, chicken,
That was thrown inside.
and just thrown in that. So there is nothing in the meat.
Very nice beef dish.
Right?
Buy some.
This is nice, huh?
I like it.
More praise for dal makhani. Everyone enjoyed the North Indian dishes while I struggled with my fish curry rice.
I like dal, coffee, dal, rice, curd, and chicken. So some potato dishes.
See how badly they fried the morso fish. Nothing crispy at all.
Potato fry, ginger fry, or bindi fry. Dal,
Last I tried the sol curry from the thali.
show your reaction, Leslie.
Nothing good to say.
This is nice place.
Definitely. Found it wow.
Yeah.
Very 100%.
Yes.
Seeing Sophie enjoy the beef, I gave up on the thali and ate beef instead.
I'm having the curds.
Something, no? Is it the dal or?
It brought the smile back to my face.
Basically, I would not come here for a Goan fair and come in for the, North Indian or whatever. Hyderabad.
So take a bite, no, and tell me.
You ate beef, the beef is nice and soft, like you can mix it with curd in it if you want.
What style of cooking is it? It's in Hyderabad. Is it?
It is not.
I don't know. I never heard of the Hyderabadi, but the flavor of the curry is very nice and the beef is soft.
It's tasty and well cooked.
Enjoyable.
Yeah.
These are the only dishes we enjoyed at Malibu. Time to think about dessert. We wanted to try the rum infused serradura, but only plain serradura was available.
So only condensed milk and cream. It's condensed.
There's no egg
I'm
also.
supposed to take it in and then have
There's
it.
no egg also.
Okay, chal. For Jaya.
It's just
Happy
proper-
birthday, Jaya. Happy birthday.
Geeta is trying serradura for the first time.
It's been simple and it's actually very nice.
It's not that pudding what you think.
Thank you, Jaya. That's very nice. And it's not too.
I mean, my mother would always say pudding for what everybody else says sweet dish. My mother would always say.
Then Maria had a bright idea.
It will be very tasty.
You take 30 ml and put in it and mix and see.
Coffee rum.
आपके पास कॉफी फ्लेवर्ड रम है? ये 30 ml देंगे? 30 ml.
This is 30 ml of Old Monk coffee flavor.
Then again we'll all taste that.
Little only.
What a cute little beaker. Huh? You can have that fully.
Come on.
No.
Are you
Ask Leslie how this gajar ka halwa tastes.
Especially we're leaving it all for you, Sophie. We are feeling so tempted to have it, but we thought
Yeah.
leave it for happy birthday. Thank you,
It's
Nana.
like something else.
Very good. Superb actually.
taste? You want more? Let me take rum.
No, enough.
I tasted Saradura because they didn't have the rum. So now they got the 30 ml
Very good.
and mix it all.
Great idea. Let me finish that. Try this. It's very nice.
You want me to finish the gajar ka
For me.
Chalo, one Goan dish was appreciated by all.
I'm in Mona.
Now she's in heaven.
In
It's
fact,
actually
you
very,
can
very
call
good.
for one more of this if you want.
You finished that.
No, you will not finish it. Sophie, no. Enough.
Why then?
She's diabetic, man.
Nothing going to happen, man. One day in a year you have little
I
bit
know.
extra.
Yeah, don't be a bad
She's
influence.
right. She struggles a lot.
A bit steep, but that's because we enjoyed only half the meal we were served.
Like she said, I have a mental, totally I have a
But you should challenge yourself, no? I mean, I also don't like process.
Because my sister lost that after that
I also lost from ATM. But I never got anybody to.
hers was ATM or
Yeah, you can't be scammed.
And we're ready to go home.
Thank you.
Hello. So the the food was not bad. It felt like we were eating in a North Indian restaurant, and so the kali dal was okay. The naans were quite good. Salad was bad. The leaves were not crunchy. You know, they were like soggy. The aloo was good. It was simple. It was tasty, and the gajar ka halwa was 0 out of 10, and it was very high on artificial coloring. Very bad. But the Serradura was superb because we had this bright idea of mixing coffee flavored rum. So that was good.
I was happy I didn't try. I was tempted to try the Goan sausages, but I didn't. The Goan food that we had ordered was the Goan chili fry, which was, we just left it. I wouldn't try, I wouldn't eat anything Goan. But the Indian food, North Indian food that we ordered, that was really nice, and I loved the dal. I loved everything besides the Goan food that we ate there. Yeah.
Hi friends, welcome back after a lovely lunch. I had the chili naan, the garlic naan. I had the beef Hyderabadi. The chili chicken was not nice, the Goan one. It was just boiled chicken mixed. But whatever I ate was nice. Only the salad was not very nice.
How was the beef Hyderabadi?
The beef Hyderabadi was very, very good.
And the aloo
And the
bhaji?
aloo bhaji, jeera aloo was nice. I didn't taste the dal. So whatever I ate was tasting nice.
Hi guys. So that was a bit of a mixed experience for me. I was a little shocked, frankly, by the fish thali, and I had to taste the fish curry twice because if curry is served cold, then you can't really get the taste. And I mean, it's safe to say that we recommend those visiting Malibu to go for the lovely location and for the lovely North Indian food. I really enjoyed the naan with the beef Hyderabadi. I had to set my fish thali aside because it was just not up to the mark. But the North Indian food was too good. So definitely guys, go to Malibu, enjoy the beautiful view, go with a bunch of friends and hang out over a nice drink, a nice chilled beer. Enjoy the view, enjoy the air and enjoy the North Indian food. Enjoy life guys.